Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you easy fix for icons not showing on taskbar in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to press Control Shift and Escape key together. Again, press Control Shift and Escape key together. And by that, you would be able to run Task Manager. Again, press Control, Shift, and Escape key together. Escape key is being short, which is ESC, being place aligning your function keys. Press it together and a new window, which is your task manager, would appear. Where here you need to go with Run New Task and type for Reg Edit. Again, type for Reg Edit, check the box, and click on OK to continue and wait until you are being redirected to the registry editor, where here you need to proceed at the left side of the screen and proceed with HK underscore local underscore machine, then double tap to it and go with OK software. So double tap once again once you have selected it, and this time you need to select on Microsoft. Double tap once again and look for Windows. So just have to scroll down and look for it. So I can see it here. Double tap once again, and this time you need to select on current version. Double tapped, and this time you need to select on the key named shell. So scroll down again and look for it. So I can see it here. Double tapped once again, and this time you need to go with update. Double tapped and select on packages. Again, we have just been into hk underscore local underscore machine. Then we navigate to software. Then we go with Microsoft. And after that, we select on Windows. Then we proceed at the current version. Then we go with shell, update, 10 packages. And once we are here with the packages, you need to proceed at the center of the screen. And we need to create a new word 32-bit value. How we can do so on this area, please do a right click on new and go with the word 32-bit value and name the new value into undocking disabled. Just type what am I exactly typed here so that you would be able to you won't be able to face any error. Okay? Again, type for undocking disabled. Don't put any space between of the words, the letters, or the characters. UNDOCKING Then click on enter and we set the value data into 1 under decimal. So double tap to it, set the value data into 1, select on decimal and click on OK. Once we're done, close the window as well as the task manager and restart the computer. How you can do so? You need to press Control Alt and Delete key together. Again, press Control Alt and Delete key together. And the moment you do that, you'd be able to see there a power menu options at the lower right side of the screen. Okay, you can select on it and click on Restart. Once you have restarted it, check if your icon is now showing aligning the taskbar. Okay. So that's it. Now, if you think this video helps you in fixing your problem, which is your icon is missing in your taskbar, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.